Cut, cut. Ah.
Gee, are you okay? I think we're in take 81. And I think the body has been crashed.
Peekaboo.
What was that sound? Oh, nice statue.
Surprise.
Who are you?
My name is Key the Pink TV. Oh kids, tell me's letter.
Can you change everything back to normal of your powers?
Okay. Powers. 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 And Shazam.
Are you okay?
I can't. Too much powers.
Well, everything's back to normal. Let's do take 82 already.